So throughout the process, was there any, any person in particular or any specific event or something that really triggered and we were just like, wow, that was incredible service?
I think really, as compared to one particular thing, the communication is what happened. I knew what was going on during the process. I knew what to expect. I knew if there was any deviation from what we had decided the day before, I was informed about it. Text back and forth, which is obviously the most convenient for me as compared to trying to get on the phone.
Yep.
We were on the phone when need be, but I think just overall, the efficiency of the process. So those two things. It was very efficient. I mean, I would say within maybe a week, a little bit longer than that. Like I said, not a huge job, but everything was tracked because it involved, for this small job, it involved the drywall, it involved the painter, it involved the plumber, it involved the tile person, not to mention the mitigation coming in and dehumidifying everything. So that's quite a few components to come together and to work that efficiently and let me know what was going on all at the same time.
Absolutely.
So I think overall it's just like I said, a very positive experience.
Yeah.